Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. One pizza too many cooking and unboxing videos, and today I'm dead excited because I've got the Ninja Dual Zone air fryer out. Check out my unboxing video here in the link, and we're going to be cooking these two chickens together whole, and you're never going to cook a chicken another way again. I mean, check out my video here, cooking a whole chicken in the Ninja Foodi with gravy. Have a comparison, see what you guys think. But before we get into it, make sure you're heading over to Ninja Foodi World, my Facebook page that I run. Everything Ninja on there. Come and say hello. Put some pictures of your Ninja dishes on there as well. That'd be fabulous. And of course, make sure you're hitting the subscribe and that notifications bell when I release a new video so you don't miss a thing. Now, let's get into this. First thing is, we've got the drawers, and I have got the bases in the drawer. That way the additional chicken juices and fat will run through them, and we're going to end up with a really crispy but juicy chicken. Then to the chicken themselves, what we've got here is two 1.5 kilo birds, so they're a small to medium chicken, okay, and we've just got some cracked black pepper and some sea salt. So what we're going to do is we're just going to liberally coat these in the salt and pepper, or pepper and salt, whichever way around you guys like to do it. The salt will just draw some of that moisture out of the skin, give it an extra crispiness that we all love with these chickens in the air fryers. Right, we're going to take the drawer out, and like I say, we've got the base. It's in the bottom of the drawer. Got it in, and unusually we're going to put these in upside down. Okay, so we're going to get the bird and we're going to turn it breast side down like so into the air fryer, and we're going to put that back in. I'm just going to do the same with the other one. So we're going to turn it over and place it in, and it is a tight fit, but it fits, as you can see. And I'm going to place that in, and I am going to give the handles a wipe. Then what we're going to do, I'm going to press on, and we've got that classic Ninja beep, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to go to drawer one, and what I'm going to do is press air fry, and it comes up at 200 degrees. We're going to leave it at that. However, what we're going to do is we're going to go over to time, and we're going to press it all the way up to 60, or 1 hour. I'm then going to press match because I want to draw 2 to match what draw 1 is doing, and you'll see both are flashing up 1 hour. I'm then going to press go. Then after over here, start and stop. Then after 30 minutes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the drawers out, I'm going to turn the chickens over, and we're going to allow the last 30 minutes with the breast side up. We're going to end up with such a perfect pair of cooked chickens, you're not going to believe it. So join me again in 30 minutes. So we're just counting down now to the 30-minute mark, and then I'm just going to pull both drawers out together so you can see where we're at. Wow. Already they are looking amazing. So all we're going to do is, you can use a pair of tongs, or I like to use a big roasting fork. I'm just going to put, and you can hear how crispy it is already. And we're just going to turn this over. Like so, and I'm going to place it back in. Do the same with this one. Okay, so done the same with that one. Both drawers back in at the same time, and the countdown has begun again. So join me in 30 minutes when these will be ready. Okay, nearly done. And you'll see it says end and end, so both baskets are done. So let's pull them out and have a look. Wow, look at that, 4 crispy chicken. Right, now let's move the camera and I'll get them out on the board so you can have a look. Right, let's get these chickens out. They look amazing, so good. There's one. There's 2. The joys of filming outside on a hot day. There's all the flies, but we'll try and get around it. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tip my salt and pepper together, just to give me a glass, and I'm going to tip out the fat that's come out of these chickens in this air fryer. So let me move that onto there for you. That's 1 basket. This is 2. So out of the air fryer, 2 chickens. Look at all that fat that you've saved from being in your meal. Now of course you could put that over roast potatoes, you could cook with it and do something nice, but I'm trying to show you how the Ninja Dual Zone air fryer works for, you know, a healthy option. Now, I think they look amazing. Listen. Crispy skin. Wow, come on guys, come on. What's not to love about this? Air fried chicken, pretty healthy when you consider you can drain all of that fat out. You end up with such crispy chicken. Now, this is red hot, let me just pull a wing off. I love a wing. If you've seen my Ninja Foodi chicken wings video, you'll love that. Oh my word. Wow. Oh, oh, oh. Those of you that know me, I love a chicken wing. And that Himalayan salt on it, bit of cracked black pepper. What's not to love? Wow. You could even finish them on a barbecue with some barbecue sauce, or a bit of barbecue sauce over in the air fryer. It would be perfect. Right everyone, let me know what you think. Have you cooked chicken like this before in one of these Dual Zone air fryers, or the Ninja Foodies, or the grills? Let me know what you serve them with. What would you do with these 2 chickens now? I know what I'm going to do with them. I'm meeting a few friends later. We're going to have this. We're going to do some chips, chicken chips, load of sauce. Perfect. Anyway, make sure you do head over to my Facebook page, Ninja Foodie World, and give me a like, and make sure you obviously get some pictures on what you're cooking. I really like to see your food. I love the interaction with you. Come on, get involved, get involved. Anyway, till next time, thanks for watching everyone. Make sure you do subscribe to the channel and hit that notifications bell when I release a new video. And for the pizza fans coming up, I'm not going to be using the pizza oven. I'm going to be doing a factory tour at Skillcraft Pizza Ovens down in the Midlands, and there may be a few surprises along the way as well. So thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you again very soon.
One pizza too many.